Hey guys, we're doing the teams for tonight. Teams are live. Dice roll, participants, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. PG. Teams run 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Complete. Strength from Glenbow Nuggets, Hudson Warriors, Glenbow Cavs, Maddie Celtics, Lane Sixers, Dow Clippers, Reno Pistons, Bowman Wizards, Van Houten Wolves, Glazers Lane, Shea McKay, or Mackie. I don't know what that is, Mackie. I don't know. Rockets, Mason O'Donnell Spurs, Bowman Pacers, Broomhead Thunder, Michael Paul Bucks, Leah Tour Hornets, Hudson Magic, Hinge Bulls, O'Dorman Nets, O'Dorman Knicks, Bartley Lakers, Jazz for O'Dorman, Tony Dunn Hawks, Van Houten Pelicans, Charles with Suns, Bartley Mavericks, Dale with Raptors, Jay with the Kings, Hinge with Grizzlies, and Drew with the Heat. Nets It.